Tonight, this man is charged with murder. He insists he was defending himself when he shot and killed an 18-year-old during the weekend of mayhem in downtown Indy. This is one of several shootings that occurred on May 30th. 29-year-old Tyler Newby's attorney came to Fox 59, and he is raising some serious questions about this case. He wants to know why his client has not had a bond hearing.
Fox 59's Courtney Crown is investigating. She joins us now from the newsroom tonight with more.
Well, prosecutors are calling it murder, and Newby's attorney calls it self-defense. The questions center around whether Newby was protecting himself when he fired a fatal shot after claiming someone pushed him from behind. The fallout continues from the weekend in May when violent rioting eclipsed peaceful protesters in downtown Indy. On May 30th, 4 violent crimes started when someone robbed a woman in her vehicle. 5 minutes later, at 11:35, a man was shot in a parking garage. This happened right around the same time of a carjacking and the death of beloved Indy business leader Chris Beatty. Then, about 2.5 hours later, 18-year-old Dorian Morell was shot and killed by 29-year-old Tyler Newby. Newby claims in court documents he was shoved to the ground from the back.
My client turned over, and according to the probable cause affidavit, when he rolled over, there was a man standing over him, and my client has a valid permit to carry a handgun.
Court documents indicate Newby told the first deputy he saw downtown he shot someone and handed over his gun. Marion County Prosecutor Ryan Mears charged Newby with murder. He denied our request for an interview on this case.
So it is really disturbing that such a clear-cut case of self-defense has been filed as a murder charge.
Newby sat behind bars since May 31st. His bond hearing is August 10th, and that's partly because the detective in this case went on vacation in July, and partly because of COVID-19.
We fully realize that that is not something that the court is intentionally doing.
Madison County Prosecutor Rodney Cummings spoke generally about court proceedings. He points out murder defendants are not entitled to bond. They can request a hearing, though.
I mean, we have a number of murder defendants in our jail that since March, when the rules changed and the courts, we stopped having trials and very few hearings for a number of months.
Newby's attorney is also raising questions of whether witnesses to the case have been interviewed as well. He's asking.
Prosecutor's office could take an honest assessment of this case, take a look at the evidence in this case, and reevaluate their position here.
Well, Newby's bond hearing is on August the 10th, and his trial is set for September. According to witnesses, Morell did not have a weapon on him when he was killed. This, of course, is a developing story, and we will be sure to stay on top of it. Reporting in the newsroom tonight, Courtney Crown, Fox 59 News.